ECS Task Definitions are the foundation of container configuration in Amazon Elastic Container Service. Think of them as blueprints that tell ECS exactly how to run your containers. They define everything from which container images to use to how much memory and CPU your containers need. A task definition is essentially a JSON template that describes one or more containers for your application. It specifies the container images you want to use and the resources they require. It also defines runtime parameters like environment variables and networking configurations such as port mappings. This template serves as the complete instruction set for launching your containers. Task definitions consist of 4 core components. First is the container image, which specifies the Docker image location and version. Second is memory and CPU allocation, determining how much resources each container gets. Third is port mappings, which configure network connectivity for your containers. Finally, environment variables and secrets management allow you to pass configuration and credentials securely to your containers. Let's look at the basic structure of a task definition. The family field gives your task definition a name, like my -app-task. Network mode defines how containers communicate. Here we use a WSVPC requires compatibilities specifies the launch type, in this case Fargate. CPU is set to 256 and memory to 512, both in string format. The container definitions array will hold the detailed configuration for each container. Within the container definitions array, each container has specific properties. The name field identifies the container, here it's web-app. The image field points to the Docker image, such as nginx:\latest. CPU and memory are allocated as numbers, 256 and 512 respectively. The essential flag set to true means if this container fails, the entire task stops. Port mappings define which ports to expose, mapping container port 80 using TCP protocol. ECS supports 2 launch types for running your task definitions. Fargate is a serverless compute engine that eliminates the need for managing servers. You simply define your containers, and AWS handles the infrastructure. EC2 launch type runs containers on your own EC2 instances, giving you full control over the underlying infrastructure, instance types, and scaling policies. Task definitions allow you to pass configuration through environment variables and secrets. The environment array contains name-value pairs for non-sensitive data, like a pp_env set to production. For sensitive data like passwords, use the secrets array. Each secret has a name like db_PSSWORD and a value from field that points to an ARN in AWS Secrets Manager, keeping your credentials secure. Let's recap the key points. Task definitions are JSON blueprints that contain all configuration needed to run your containers. They define critical settings including resources, networking, and environment variables. Task definitions support both Fargate for serverless deployment and EC2 for traditional instance-based deployment. They integrate seamlessly with AWS Secrets Manager to handle sensitive credentials securely. With task definitions, you have complete control over how your containers run in ECS.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.